Well, hi everyone, it's time for a new tool from Ustar. Today I want to talk to you about nippers. I'm sure you've all got plenty of those in your bench already, but I do want to show you and introduce you to one from Ustar, which might have a slight twist, which you could find extremely useful. Now, standard nippers like these guys, these are the advanced ones, with the replaceable cutting blade. Absolutely fine in the hand, will do a job, to go to every single time without any problems at all. But there are issues and there are applications where these straight blades really get in the way, or at least don't give you the versatility and particularly the accuracy that you might be looking for when you're cutting parts off sprues. Let me put those down for a second. Ustar have this guy. Let me just show you the packaging, which to one sense of purpose look like a standard set of nippers, but they have a slightly different cutting end, which I want to give you a demo of right now. So that's the front, and the usual stuff on the back. Right, so let's get these guys out the packet, and I will show you why they're different. So let's do that. Put this away and put him in his usual place there. Okay, in the pack you get again Allen key, which is in this little pouch, which you can use to obviously keep the cutting tool nice and protected. The Allen key obviously is there for adjusting the blade if you ever need to. Now, let me just get the cap off. Right, so that's the actual set of nippers themselves. Let me just show them in profile. Let me just do it. Let me do it there. As you can see, they've made the cutting blades at an angle, and that is what could be very useful in certain instances. In the hand, they feel like a standard set of nippers. Very happy with those. They fit in my hand very nicely. I'd like to have seen maybe some of the design elements of these guys, but they're absolutely fine as a go-to standard set of nippers. They have a nice textured handle covers, which allows you to grip them if you don't use gloves. If you use gloves, that's even more important to make sure you're accurate with your cutting. And again, the action again is very nice, very nice indeed. It's nothing that I was concerned about at all. So, as soon as I started testing these things, the build quality is absolutely fine. Now, of course, the interesting thing is this curve. This curve on the actual blades themselves. Now, in some instances, when you're trying to cut stuff off a sprue, it will be very useful. I can't quite get the blade of a straight set of nippers into actually onto the sprue to cut the part off. Wouldn't it be great if the end was curved, or at least at an angle? And that's where these guys come in handy. A great deal. It's one of those. If you found that issue a few times, these might be worth investing in. Absolutely. If that's not you, then absolutely not. You're fine with straight ones. Carry on without any issues. But these could be something that could be useful to have on the bench, just for those instances. Yeah. So let me sort of just choose something on this sprue. So this guy, for instance, which is nearly off. But let me just show you if I can. I don't know if I can actually show you to do this in action. But it gives you that angle. Yeah. So the cutting blade is moving away from the part. Yeah. So if I cut this off. And again, it's very difficult to show you on camera. Let me try it like that. So I could go with a straight set, of course, but it's useful to be able to come at it at that angle there. Yeah. So I'm almost at a sort of 90-degree angle to the actual part itself before I cut it off. Yeah. let me try and show you maybe on this part here. That would be okay with a straight, but again, if I come in at an angle like that, that's how I could potentially cut that off with these angled pair. And the cut is absolutely fine. So it's being able to move the angle around with this pair because of that angle, which is on the end of the nippers. Very useful, I found, just to have an alternative. If I'm trying to cut something and it's not quite there, I don't want to overstress the part, or it's something on a sprue, usually really tiny parts. I just want to move the blades almost away from the part. I just want to literally just use the tips of this thing to get a part off, because sometimes I'm trying to cut off parts which are 3 or 4 millimeters. These have been great because I can come in at an angle and then nip them off without any problems at all. It's been somewhat of a revelation for me, because I do quite a lot of those very, very small parts. May not be you, but if it is you, these kind of nippers could be ideal. Again, as a companion to your straight pair, they could be absolutely perfect. And so over time, these have proven to be very, very useful indeed. Again, it's application, isn't it? How do you feel that this kind of tool is a good application for your kind of model making? As I say, it comes with this sort of rubberized cover initially, which is absolutely fine. Or of course you can use the pink one, which it also comes with. So that is the angled nippers, which again could be very, very useful if you have a specific application, or at least you do a lot of cutting where you think, it would be great if I had an angle cutter there, because then I wouldn't be stressing the part as much, or I can reach in and cut something off a sprue without trying to get a straight pair, which in some cases simply don't fit. Those could be quite useful. So that's the angled nippers from Ustar. As always, any questions, any queries, do come back to me, and of course, keep on modelling.